Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload photos and folders to Google Drive. So I'm sure you know how to open up a folder separately for yourself. You will open that. I have the main folder with all of the units for you coreless. This is who I'm making the video for, but for anyone else this applies. This could be any one of your folders. So the easiest way is I have this pre-existing Google Drive that I've shared. So all you're going to want to do is take this, click, drag, drop. And that's it. All the photos will upload, as you can see here in the bottom left corner. And that'll be it. And then if you wish to share it with anyone, you go click the title of the folder you're on, go to share, copy link, and then you can send me an email with that link, and then all the unit photos will be here. And as well, you can upload any documentation that's with it as well, including the Microsoft Word, because then I can just read through it and make sure everything matches, stock numbers, all of that stuff. But just to do it again, all the folders are here. You can even highlight a bunch, drag them over, and they will all slowly upload. And because I have them named and all the photos named to what they are on the website, all the folders themselves will also be correctly named, including all of the photos that I also named individually on the downloads, to make sure there's consistency and that SEO that is intact. But yes, I will share this link with you. All of the photos and folders I have uploaded in this video will still be there. As I make more videos for you, I will create a document and put all the links there. And that is what we can do. I will send you an email. I think there's like 8 or 9 units that I need photos uploaded for, because they just did not look good on the export. But the other the other 1,700 and whatever worked fine. But these 50 or so are giving me some trouble, so thank you for that. But yeah, you can just click open the folder, highlight all the folders you want to upload, drag and drop, and then just reshare the link, or just tell me to check the drive, and that's it. Alright, thank you for watching. I know coreless, please send me a like. It helps out a lot, and anyone else watching, same thing. And subscribe if you want to see more, and make sure you check out other videos. Thank you very much. Till next time.